So the first tool I have here is called the pick tool. How does the pick tool work? Just like the name, to select, position or transform object, which means if I have a shape here, I can click on the pick tool to move it, click and drag to different positioning. That is the work of the pick tool. In other tutorials, we see more on the effect or function of the pick tool. Let's start with the rectangle tool. We click and drag. Now looking at the rectangle tool, we have the line, then we have a space in the shape. The line is known as the airline or outline. In some software we call it borders, but we are calling it, or we call it airline here. We can increase the line by clicking on the property bar of this particular shape. You can see the line. Now I want to apply color, so all I need to do is to click on the color I prefer to use. Let's click on red, but I also want to fill the line color, so I'll right click on the color, right click, give the shape a color. We use left click to pick the color, but when it comes to the line, which is the outline, we right click on the color we want to use. So that is it. Now let's move to another shape. We click the ellipse tool. We can also increase the size of this, and also, or if I don't want the line, I can click on none, which means I don't want it to appear. Now also, let's work with the pick tool. Now the pick tool, just like the name pick, click on it and we can pick this to drag to the other part. Also for this, so we click and drag with the pick tool, and we can also use it to transform some shape or our text, which means we can also use it to increase the size of this shape or decrease. Now another thing we need to work with is the text tool. The text tool, how does it work? We click on the text tool and we can type. With the pick tool, I just click on it and select the particular shape or text that I want to apply the function to. So clicking on the welcome now, on my property bar, the property tools, I have the size here, font size, so I can increase the font size this way, and I can also change the font, which we also call the typeface. I can also change the typeface of the text. So how does the text tool work? You click on it, go to where you want to type from, click on it, and you can increase the size even before you start typing. Increase the size and you can type what you want to type. You can type whatever you want to type. And with the pick tool, you can easily move it around. Just go to the first tool there and we can move the text around to wherever we want it to be, even if we want it to be in this box. That is how the pick tool work. You are welcome.